Imagine waking up each morning knowing that while you're busy taking care of your family, money is quietly flowing into your account. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today we're diving into 15 incredible online passive income ideas that can make this dream a reality for busy moms. Have you ever wondered if there are ways to earn money online without having to work around the clock? You're about to discover how to make your money work for you, even while you're sleeping. Let's get started and turn those dreams into dollars. Investing in dividend stocks is a great way to earn passive income. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders, typically on a quarterly basis. By investing in these stocks, you can earn regular income without doing much after your initial investment. Consider investing in blue-chip companies like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson. These companies have a long history of paying dividends and are relatively stable. Robinhood is an excellent platform for buying and selling stocks without commission fees. It's user-friendly and perfect for beginners. If you're looking for these links, don't worry, I've included them in the description. For Canadians looking for an easy and reliable way to invest, Wealthsimple is a fantastic option. Wealthsimple is an online investment management service that offers a range of investment options, including socially responsible investing. It's perfect for people who want to grow their money without spending a lot of time managing their investments. You can choose from a variety of portfolios based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Plus, Wealthsimple offers features like automatic rebalancing and dividend reinvestment so your investments can grow even more efficiently. For Canadians looking to start investing with minimal hassle, Wealthsimple is definitely worth considering. If you have a spare room or property, renting it out on Airbnb can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. Airbnb allows you to rent out your space to travelers looking for short-term stays. Imagine this. A working mom can rent out her basement suite to travelers and make enough to cover her mortgage payments each month. Airbnb provides all the tools you need to list your property, communicate with guests, and manage bookings. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. It's a great way to monetize a blog, social media account, or website. Imagine this: a stay-at-home mom runs a parenting blog, Instagram, or TikTok, and includes affiliate links to baby products. This will help them earn a commission whenever their readers purchase through their links. Amazon Associates is a popular affiliate program with a vast range of products to promote. The sign-up process is straightforward, and you can start earning quickly. If you have expertise in a particular area, creating and selling online courses can be a great source of passive income. Once your course is created and uploaded, it can generate income for years. Imagine this: a mom who is a former teacher created a course on homeschooling techniques. Her course has been very popular and continues to bring in revenue. Udemy is an excellent platform for creating and selling courses. It offers tools to help you design, market, and sell your courses. Print on demand allows you to design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. When someone buys your product, it's printed and shipped by the print on demand service, so you don't have to handle inventory. Imagine this: a graphic designer mom starts a line of t-shirts with motivational quotes. She designs the shirts, and Printify handles the rest. Printify integrates with platforms like Shopify, which makes it easy to set up an online store and start selling your designs. Selling digital products like printables, planners, and templates on Etsy can be highly profitable. Once you create these products, you can sell them repeatedly without any additional effort. Imagine this: a mom created a series of printable meal planners and sold them on Etsy. Her store went viral, and she earns passive income from sales each month. Etsy is a popular marketplace for digital products, providing an easy way to reach a large audience. If you're interested in starting a shop, I have 40 free listings with the link in my description. Creating content on YouTube can lead to passive income through ad revenue and sponsorships. With YouTube automation, you can create a series of videos on a specific topic and let them generate views and income over time. Imagine this: a mom started a YouTube channel sharing quick and easy recipes for busy parents. Her channel grew, and now she earns from ads and sponsorships. TubeBuddy is a must-have tool if you want to get serious about YouTube. It helps you with topic research and optimizing your SEO for maximum views. Investing in REITs allows you to invest in real estate without having to manage properties directly. REITs pool money from many investors to buy and manage income-generating real estate. Imagine this: a mom invested in a REIT through Fundrise, allowing her to earn a share of the income produced by commercial properties without the hassle of being a landlord. Fundrise is a platform that makes investing in REITs accessible to everyone, with low minimum investments and easy-to-understand tools. Dropshipping involves setting up an online store and selling products without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Imagine this: a mom started an online store selling eco-friendly baby products. She never handles the products herself. Her supplier takes care of everything. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that integrates with various dropshipping suppliers, making it easy to set up and manage your store. If you enjoy photography, selling your photos on stock image websites can be a great way to earn passive income. Once your photos are uploaded, they can be purchased by individuals and businesses worldwide. A mom who loves photography uploads her photos to Shutterstock. Each time someone downloads her photo, she earns a commission. Shutterstock offers a platform for photographers to sell their images. The submission process is straightforward, and you can track your sales and earnings. Local lead generation involves creating landing pages to capture leads for local businesses. Once you set up the landing page, businesses can pay you for the leads you generate. Imagine this: a mom created a landing page for a local daycare center and captures leads from parents interested in enrolling their children. She earns a fee for each lead she provides. Lead Pages is a tool that helps you create high-converting landing pages quickly, making it easier to generate leads for local businesses. Writing and self-publishing ebooks on Amazon can be a lucrative source of passive income. Once your book is published, it can continue to sell for years. Imagine this: a mom who loves cooking wrote an ebook with her favorite family recipes. Her book became popular on Amazon, which started providing her with a steady stream of income. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, makes it easy to publish and sell your ebooks to a global audience. Starting a blog can be a great way to share your passions and earn passive income through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Once your blog gains traction, it can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Imagine this: a mom started a blog about parenting hacks and tips. Over time, her blog attracted a large following, and she monetized it through ads and sponsored posts. WordPress is a popular blogging platform that offers various tools and plugins to help you create and manage your blog. You can purchase a domain and WordPress hosting with Namecheap. They're a great choice because they include privacy protection in your domain purchase. Squarespace is also a popular choice if you want easy to use, aesthetic templates. Investing in low-cost index funds is a straightforward way to grow your wealth over time. Index funds track a market index, providing broad market exposure and diversification. Imagine this: a mom invested in a Vanguard index fund that tracks the S&P 500. Her investment grows steadily, providing long-term passive income. Vanguard offers a range of index funds with low fees, making it an ideal choice for long-term investors. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to lend money to individuals and earn interest on your loans. It's a way to generate passive income while helping others. Imagine this: a mom invested in several loans on Prosper, earning interest payments each month as borrowers repay their loans. Prosper is a lending platform that connects lenders with borrowers that are interested in peer-to-peer lending. The platform handles the details, making it easy to invest with them. So, there you have it: 15 online passive income ideas perfect for moms who are short on time. These methods can help you build a steady stream of income without sacrificing your valuable time with your family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online. Let us know in the comments which passive income idea you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.